calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. लोग एंडरसन्स कॉलेज ज्वाइन करते हैं क्योंकि एवरी ईयर एंडरसन्स कॉलेज participates, performs, and wins GOATs, greatest of all times. And Supersonics हमेशा ये ट्रॉफी जीतती है. But this year we also have the Misfits.
एक मिनट मिसफिट्स क्यों कर रहा है इतना ट्राई? सुपरसोनिक इज सो फ्लाई.
ब्रो, जोश, जलवा, डांसिंग का है खून. मिसफिट्स है असली जुनून.
Okay.
Ooh, Supersonics. Woohoo. Misfits, they are just Delulu.
ओ प्लीज ये रेबल्स जब स्टेज पे आए, सुपरसोनिक्स की तो सूसू निकल जाए.
Blah blah blah. Supersonics है असली goats. Misfits should take notes.
Okay, guys, calm down, calm down. सब सोच रहे होंगे कि ये rivalry क्यों हो रही है and why they're all going crazy. It's not because of me, is it? Is it? Oh, it's because of me.
Natasha,
Hi.
how you doing? What,
I'm
have you
doing
said hello to
good.
everybody?
Hi
Say hello to Natasha.
everyone. Come on, louder. जुनून कहाँ है आपका?
Everyone's shaking and taking the pictures. लेकिन तुम एंडरसन से already हो क्या? Wow, I like it.
No. अगले साल, next season.
तो इस साल already आग लग गई है for next season.
अरे आग तो एक चुल से लगी थी.
चुल किसने की?
You know, ये जो rivalry है,
हाँ.
ये तब स्टार्ट हुई जब एक संकी डांसर के चुल ने एंडरसन्स की लेगेसी को चैलेंज किया.
तो वो सनकी डांसर का नाम should we sort of write it down?
नहीं, I can't give this much away. Come on, I've already said enough.
So all the 200 people here have no idea what's going to happen. But our lips are sealed 16th May. That's the whole idea of giving a teaser. Thank you so
Exactly.
much for joining us on stage and thank you so much Anushka. Big round of applause ladies and gentlemen. She's pretty much like the heartbeat of everything. Thank you so much guys for joining us on stage. We've got something very much that you want to see right on the screen in front of you. So have a look and I'll come right back. कुमार और सुमेश के लिए तालियां हो जाए. लव इट. बट हाफते ब्रदर्स, जैसे कि ऑलवेज दोस्ती यारी में होता है, मैं आपके लिए कुछ लेके आया हूं. और नाइस कैंपा फॉर द एनर्जी.
बहुत जरूरत थी यार अभी तो.
अभी खोल के पियो. मैं पकड़ता हूं. Was that good or no? Normally what happens is, जब हमारे दोस्त यार देख रहे होते हैं, वो अपनी लाइफ में बड़े मग्न हो जाते हैं. But here you guys go. जिस तरह ये तुम लोग को बाइंड कर रहा है और मुझे भी आपके साथ बाइंड कर रहा है, आप दोनों की दोस्ती बहुत ज्यादा गहरी है, राइट? It goes back a long way.
Like really long back because मैं सुमेत को तब से जानता हूँ जब उसने शुरुआत करी थी.
Right.
और मेरी भी शुरुआत थी. So from दिल दोस्ती डांस to now we are here.
You remember them from दिल दोस्ती डांस?
We are together.
और मैं कुंवर भाई को तब से जानता हूँ जब मैं इनको देखता था टीवी पे, लगता भी नहीं था मैं इनका दोस्त बन पाऊंगा. आज इनके साथ परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ. इट्स वेरी स्पेशल. आई थिंक रोहित और सेबी आप देखोगे आपको बहुत अच्छे लगने वाले हैं. और जैसा सेबी रोहित के लिए फील करता हूँ ऑन स्क्रीन, वैसे ही मैं ऑफ स्क्रीन इनके लिए फील करता हूँ. ऑल द गुड बिट्स.
No, but I think I'm grateful to God that we're working again together and we're working in a way we are brothers.
That's why you call it a bromance, man. This
is just the start.
Absolutely. Actually ये बहुत लंबी जर्नी और है जुनून में. एक्चुअली there's an amazing track. जैसे आप दोनों फैंटास्टिक डांस कर रहे थे, दो ऐसे लड़के पीछे खड़े हैं जिनको मैं बहुत टाइम से जानता हूँ, जिन्होंने इस फैंटास्टिक शो का एक फ्रेंडशिप थीम गाया है. सो मैं बुलाऊं उनको?
अरे प्लीज यार, नेकी और पूछ बुला लेते हैं.
तो आप दोनों यहाँ खड़े रहना.
हाँ.
They'll come and sing, then we'll all dance and then we'll all get off. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
So Arjun and Mahi, can we have you on stage, boys? They've sung the friendship theme of the tracks. There you go. एक जानी पहचानी सी शक्ल लग रही है. शान का बेटा माही. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. He's daring to go on his father's footsteps. Arjun, welcome guys. Welcome Mahi. Welcome Arjun. How are you doing, buddy?
Very well, sir. How are you?
Superb. तो इनकी फ्रेंडशिप तो बरकरार है, लेकिन आप दोनों को जल्दी फ्रेंड बनना पड़ा क्या जब आप गाना रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे क्या?
I think पहले से we were already friends, so.
तुम तो हर किसी के फ्रेंड रहते हो माही. That's the best part. What about you?
Definitely, I think Mahi is such a lovely boy that it did not take time for us to break ice and become friends with each other. So yeah, I love you, Mahi.
So now, जैसे ये प्रथा already established हो गई है, जो भी स्टेज पर आ रहा है, they've got to show their talent, and the track is so fantastic. एक तो शो ही इतना कमाल का है. So are you guys ready to sing a couple of lines?
Absolutely.
हाँ जी, of course.
And when I say couple, you can sing four lines also. ठीक है? So let's go. No pressure at all. That's why I took your father's name also, and he's lurking somewhere also. No pressure. हो जाए.
Surely.
कल की किसको क्या पता है, मूड थोड़ा लाइट तू कर ले, गम भरी ये जिंदगी है, थोड़े से रंगों को भर ले, छोड़ दिल का ये बहाना, फिक्र क्यों करने का, जश्न है यारी का,
ओ यारा जश्न है यारी का,
जश्न है यारी का,
ओ यारा जश्न है यारी का. साथ तेरे सारे यार गए खड़े जो हर मुसीबत से लड़ रहे, तेरे लिए गए आसमां के पार, बंदिश न गए कोई जो रोके तुझको जीने से.
जश्न है यारी का, ओ यारा जश्न है यारी का, जश्न है यारी का, ओ यारा जश्न है यारी का.
Wow. Actually, if you shut your eyes, ना, you think that Shan is singing. सोनू पाजी वहाँ पे हैं. सोनू जी, was that good enough? Perfect था? Thumbs up. बस, you got the ultimate approval, boys. Thank you so much, guys. Good luck.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for joining us on stage. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. 16th May, it's going to be all the best to all the jodis that are going to be here. And it's going to be just incredible. Hai, Junoon? Of course, as you know it, it's one of a kind, yaar. You know, to do 40 songs in a show, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. But they pulled it off. Some of the... Welcome, sir. Hey, Junoon is not just about one romantic couple. We're going to find out about this fantastic next romantic couple also before we speak. But Sonuji, so wonderful to have you here also. So I had to call you on stage also just to have your presence so that everybody could see you. So how are you feeling being part of this entire setup? It's an ambitious project and it's fantastic.
Hi everyone. Hi, good to see all of you. I'm very happy to be a part of this project. I've been been a part of a lot of projects in the last more than 3 decades. Every time it's a beautiful feeling to meet new people.
Yeah.
Sagar has been very enthusiastically been after me, and In fact, today I was. I have to do 2 songs right now after this, but I didn't want to disappoint him. I told him I have a very busy day. I love you.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
4 चांद लगा।
So मैं यहाँ पर I have a beautiful song composed by Rutul. Words नहीं है वरना मैं मुझे सिर्फ words मिल गए 2 जरा मुझे।
That's why I love this. It's so nice and impromptu, and that's why I love Google because it always helps us out.
क्योंकि मैं जब कहीं जाता हूँ तो मैं फ़ोन अपने पास नहीं रखता. I don't keep a phone, so हाँ.
जब रात अधूरी लगने लगे, जब रात पूरी महक उठे, तेरी मेरी परछाइयाँ एक ही लगी, वैसे कस के गले लगाना, गले लगाना, बाहों में तेरी गुजरे ज़माना, गले लगाना, गले लगाना, बाहों में तेरी गुजरे ज़माना.
Before I ask Sonu ji to leave us, सोनू जी पता है नॉर्मली जब बहुत ही बॉडी बिल्डर लोगों से मिलते हैं उनसे पूछा जाता है आपने लास्ट टाइम बड़ा पाव कब खाया था, सोडा कब पिया था. आपसे पूछूंगा लास्ट टाइम डू यू रिमेंबर एवर व्हेन यू मिस्ड अ नोट जब मिस किया था कहीं पे भी, डू यू रिमेंबर इट एवर?
होता है ऐसा नहीं, थोड़ा गलतियां तो स्टेज पे हो ही जाती हैं. नोबडी कैन टेक द क्रेडिट ऑफ बीइंग इम्पेकेबल. वो तो ईश्वर ही है जो है परफेक्शन. हम लोग तो कोशिश कर सकते हैं. आई कीप वर्किंग ऑन माई क्राफ्ट, बट यस कभी कभी अपनी आवाज़ ठीक से आती नहीं कान में तो थोड़ा सुर चले जाते हैं. बट आई थिंक इट्स ह्यूमन टू एडमिट दैट.
नेवर, इट इज ह्यूमन टू err, but you don't err. Thank you so much for coming. 4 चांद लगा दिया आज के लिए. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. सोनू निगम. And like we were saying, he'd actually be like the captain of the ship for all singers. If he just came and gave his wisdom, बस उसी में हम सबकी लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. लेकिन captain of this ship, just like I was talking about Rohit Sharma earlier, we have a Sharma ji who led team है जुनून, the captain, the director of the show, जिसको सुबह से लेकर रात तक काम करना पड़ता है. You know, people always want to make things easy for them. Life में when you start something new, आप पहले धीरे से स्टार्ट करते हैं. जब आप जिम जाते हैं पहले 3 दिन आप हल्की सी वर्कआउट करते हैं.
ऐसा होता है क्या? मैं तो सिर्फ चलता हूँ जिम में.
तो अच्छा है ना सर, आपने शुरुआत स्लो की है. यहाँ लेकिन नो स्लो. 20 एपिसोड, जियो हॉटस्टार बड़ा करते हैं. ऑल द आर्टिस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. हाउ एंड व्हाई?
वेल मेरे को कुछ नया करने की का जुनून है. सॉरी, आई शुड यूज दैट. आई वाज टोल्ड टू प्लग इट इन every second sentence, but so basically I always try and do a new genre, like you've seen Tere Bin Laden, Parmanu, Ram Setu, they're all different genres. तो OTT में स्पेस में मैं काफ़ी टाइम तक नहीं घुसा था, लेकिन जब Geo Creative Labs pitched me है जुनून, which is a musical. I love Broadway, I love musicals. And they told me that it's about the young adult show about college life.
Correct.
And I'm very, very nostalgic about my college life. So then I thought, why not? And like you said, पहला OTT show और काफ़ी responsibilities थी, but बहुत मज़ा आया. It was fun, it was nostalgic, and at the same time, it was a great this thing to work with young talent as well as Jacqueline and Neil.
Yeah.
So it was a great experience.
You know, a lot of people say that, we want to do Broadway. कहना बड़ा आसान होता है. Technically, how difficult is it to shoot this? Because this is completely unlike anything that a lot of people actually do. बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है.
No, so basically, there is a difference. When we say Broadway, it means that the song and dance is a part of the narrative. Okay, and when we say Bollywood,
right,
now we see that it is also like a performance.
Correct.
Like within a film, which also I have done. Manali Trans in Shawkeens was my film. But we have certain songs like that. This show has both.
Right.
So you will have songs which will have a narrative. Like Jashn Yarika, which they were singing, is a Broadway narrative.
Okay.
It's happening, I will not divulge too many details, but it's happening inside the house and all the friends are doing something together and they, just start singing.
Right.
That is a very Broadway way of, telling a narrative. But we also have certain song and dance in a traditional Bollywood.
Like Bollywood
so
style,
it's a combination of Bollywood and Broadway. But I am very proud to say that this is maybe the first time, at least in the OTT space in India, that we are trying something like this in the musical domain. And I'm really happy to have so many amazing composers working with us and giving us that narrative that we needed.
बिग नेम्स when they come in, it always gives credibility, और वो आपको मिल चुकी है. लेकिन शो की बात करते हैं. There's college, there's music, there's rivalry. हमारे बचपन से हम ऐसी फिल्में भी देखते आए हैं जहाँ कॉलेज राइवलरी होती है, म्यूजिक ऑलवेज होता है, हीरो हीरोइन होते हैं. इट्स ऑलवेज गुड फन. सो व्हाट्स द शो एज अ मिक्स, यू नो, फॉर माय एंटायर ऑडियंस लिसनिंग एंड वाचिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, व्हाट्स द मिक्स अबाउट?
नो, सो म्यूजिकल तो है, कॉलेज भी है, लेकिन उसके अलावा बहुत कुछ है. इट ऑल्सो हैज़ फैमिली, इट हैज़ फ्रेंडशिप, इट हैज़ द इमोशन ऑफ रोमांस, यू नो, वो भी है. अब मेरा एक और जो शिकवा रहा है कि एक तो मेरी फिल्मों में गाने बहुत कम रहते हैं और दूसरा रोमांस ज़्यादा मेरी फिल्मों में नहीं रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
तो इस शो में रोमांस भी है, which I think there is a, you know, varied emotion in the show, and I think people will have fun with that kaleidoscope of emotions.
And also there's rival groups which we're going to see on this stage also, which is quite fantastic to see. Supersonics or Misfits. Let's introduce these two words to them, Supersonics or Misfits. Anushka के साथ आपने थोड़ा सा देखा था, but let's talk about those groups as well.
No, so Supersonics is a legacy music group.
Yeah.
And Misfits is an upcoming rebel dance group.
Okay.
And also I think maybe for the first time we are seeing a rivalry which is inter-talent rivalry.
Correct.
Usually आप जो rivalry देखते हैं दो music groups के बीच में होगी, दो dance groups के बीच में होगी. But इस show में आप देखोगे कि it's like how, you know, there are shows which are talent shows. So this is a inter-college talent show जिसमें कि एक music group और एक dance group आपस में compete कर रहे हैं for the platform and for the wah-wah of the audience. So that is very unique. Also, what is very unique within the show, I'm just, you know, segueing here, but because आपने रोमांस की बात की थी, तो इसमें एक और तड़का ये है कि सुपरसोनिक्स और मिसफिट्स राइवल हैं, लेकिन दोनों के दो मेंबर्स हैं जिनके बीच लव स्टोरी भी है. सो सुपरसोनिक्स का लौंडा और मिसफिट्स की कुड़ी, एंड देयर इज अ रोमांस बिटवीन द टू.
रोमांस के बिना कुछ हो नहीं सकता है. प्यार दोस्ती है, यहाँ तो दुश्मनी में भी प्यार है. Let's give it up for our lovebirds. And as Abhishek said, Romeo and Juliet of Andersons. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. And they are waiting right there on the side. I'll take that mic and we'll call them on stage.
जलंधर से मुंबई.
That was magical. तालियां थोड़ी better हो सकती है. They've all performed so wonderfully well on stage. What an act. Hai Junoon is not just about one romantic couple. बहुत सारे हैं. So ladies and gentlemen, let's find out the next romantic couple.
तू और मैं हमेशा से.
And brother, you cut your hair. Oh my God. How are you doing, bhai? So good to see you, bhai. And it's just so incredible. बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट जो होते हैं ना, they are उनके माथे पर आर्टिस्ट लिखा होता है जब वो कहीं जा रहे थे. You are the most chilled artist for the last 20 years that there's been. तालियां थोड़ी better हो सकती हैं यार. Just incredible.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody. My name is Nakash Aziz, and I'm very happy to be here. Always good to see you, brother. And आपको देख के हमेशा मुझे याद आता है कुछ कि मुझे जिम ज्वाइन करना है. तो
और मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों को देख के याद आ रहा है कि मुझे 6 बजे का खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. बिकॉज ब्लैक उतना ही हाइड कर सकता है.
नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स. बट यार कमाल है. आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग टू डू. आई फाइंड इट वेरी टफ, बट यू डू इट वेरी
सर. ये
वेल. एंड
ये, you know, if this was
big hand for this guy. Come on.
For the next bodybuilding show, I'll definitely be pitching myself. But Nakash, it's amazing how different आप गाने गाते हो. You know, you are easily able to do a Bollywood track. You're able to do this fantastic show. First of all, just being part of this show also, you know, it's a very ambitious thing. जब आप सोचते हो कि मैं इतने सारे आर्टिस्ट ले आऊँगा, and believe me, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्रोड्यूसर बैठे हुए हैं जिन्होंने ये सोचा है, हम 40 आर्टिस्ट को ले आएंगे.
Right.
And then to get those 30, 40, 50 artists is so difficult. So, is it easy to call you? Was it easy to get you on board?
Yes, my number is on Just Dial also as a singer. So they keep calling me every year कि आपको continue करना है, and I'm like, is there any charges for that? So they say कि ऐसा कुछ charges तो नहीं है. तो मैं बोलता तो रहने दो फिर नंबर.
यार आप
काम ही आएगा और क्या आएगा.
But convincing जैसे बड़े सारे आर्टिस्ट होते हैं ना, एक्टर्स. I'll see 2 lines in the script and then I'll tell you. तो आपके साथ ऐसे तो कुछ तो होगा.
नहीं, मैं गाना सुनता हूँ एंड मैं आज तक एक भी ऐसे इंसान से नहीं मिला हूँ जो गंदा गाना बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. सब लोग अच्छा ही गाना बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट आई थिंक कहीं पर जो लोग का जो रीज़न है कि मतलब पर्पस क्या है उस गाने से, लिसनर को क्या मिलेगा या आपको पर्सनली क्या मिल रहा है. अगर आप फेमस होने के लिए गाना बना रहे तो आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट अ गुड रीज़न फॉर मी. मैं ढूंढता हूँ कि क्या बंदा क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है, या अगर बंदा अच्छा है गाना बहुत गंदा है तो भी मैं गा दूंगा. तो ऐसा है. पर अगर बंदा बहुत ही खराब है और गाना बहुत अच्छा है तो भी मैं गा दूंगा. तो ऐसा है.
This is the best part. I didn't know that you had this straight face sense of humor. That was awesome, यार.
अरे बस क्या है.
सिंगर्स के लिए एक चीज मैंने ऑलवेज सुनी है, अगर खाना अच्छा नहीं होता है, खाना और गाना एक साथ चलता है. You know, आपको देख ऐसे लग नहीं रहा है like you've been going to a lot of studios and eating a lot. प्रीतम दा के पास मेरे को सुनने में आता है पहले 2 घंटे खाने का सेशन होता है, उसके बाद 4 घंटे गॉसिप का सेशन, then 2 hours of singing session.
Maybe that's for the producers and everybody.
Right.
But अभी हम लोग I consider myself an in-house guy for Pritam Da.
Right.
So we kind of chill and सब लोग अपना ही खाना वाना जब खाना है, जब जो करना है, mostly तो हम we are working or smoking. So
Nakash Aziz is an incredible talent, ladies and gentlemen. But यहाँ पे the beauty of this show is कि यहाँ recreated भी बहुत सारे गाने हैं. You know, when you go back in time, you always think about कि आजकल के गाने कौन से अच्छे चल रहे हैं. To get the right balance also is fantastic. आपने भी बहुत ही famous गाना गाया है in this show also.
Right.
2 tracks, but one is a nice recreated version.
Right.
So just something a little about that track also, and then we'd love to hear you sing, obviously.
So it's always not scary, but sometimes even amongst your peers, you're worried कि यार, you want to sing something good, and when something like this, ऐसा गाना जो मैंने गाया, हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा, I think is a song. So जब वो गाने का ये आया कि मेरे को लगा कि the way it has been rendered already, I think सब कुछ उसमें हो गया, मैं क्या करूँगा. तो
pressure होता है ना when you have to sort of match up to the greats and then give a great voice also.
Yeah, but I think the whole thing is to be honest कि अपने को अच्छा लग रहा है क्या, फिर बाकी तो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है और जनता के हाथ में है.
ऊपर वाले ने आपको जो आवाज दी है ना, हो जाए सर. We would love to hear you sing more than a few lines because.
And I really like to appreciate the composer जिन्होंने आगे का भी पार्ट बनाया और प्रोड्यूस भी किया, लेजर एक्स. ब्रदर, हम लोग मिले नहीं पहले कभी, बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा उनका जो साउंड, और आई थिंक दैट इंस्पायर्ड मी बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या इसमें मज़ा किस चीज़ में आ रहा है. तो मुझे लेज़र के साउंड में बहुत अच्छा लगा. बेसिकली उस हिसाब से मैंने गाया. तो बट अभी मैं गाऊंगा तो पता नहीं कैसे
परफेक्ट तो गाल हो जाए सर.
मेरे को जो हाँ, why not?
Okay, so again I'm going to have to borrow a phone right now.
होगा तो.
Which we'll need. Can somebody give me a phone? Yeah.
Sorry यार. मतलब
हमारे shows पे ऐसे ही अच्छा.
2 minutes.
You'll have to unlock the phone, darling.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi. सबसे मैं ऐसे ही मिल रहा हूँ, जान पहचान.
My God, this is too unadis. You don't have Google on your phone? Hello? You don't have Google on your phone? You don't have Google on this phone? We have to give him some words. सर ये लो.
Thank you.
और ब्राउजर नहीं मिल रहा था मेरे को. So this is actually how a lot of singers these days do perform. They just keep their, earlier people used to carry notes with them. The other day I was doing a wedding also, and Shankar Mahadevan was on stage and he had those notes with me, and he's going to be here in some time as well. And Shankar was reading out straight from his phone. And I think that's the coolest thing these days, because we sort of made it so chilled on stage, and that's the way it should be. Yeah, that was
इसका
the wedding.
मुझे ये जो इस आई थिंक अब तक आया नहीं उसके लिरिक्स ऑनलाइन.
तो अपने मन से
मैं जो उसका हाय हेलो गुड टू सी यू, मैं ऐसे ही गा देता हूँ जो उसमें जो हुक पार्ट है.
राइट, गो.
थोड़ा एंटरटेनिंग बनाता हूँ. एक्चुअली ऐसा उसमें नहीं है, पर ए ना 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 रे रा रे 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 नो रे गा रे मा से रो माने नो माने ने ना ना ने ना 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 ना. अरे हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा, दुनिया से नहीं डरेगा. हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा, दुनिया से नहीं डरेगा. चाहे ये जमाना कहे हमको दीवाना, अजी हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा. थैंक यू.
Just nonchalantly putting out there, yeah, I can chat like this and then I have that voice also. Nakash Bhai, thank you so much for joining us. Always such a pleasure to see you. और अब मुझे लगता है कि मैं आपसे सिंगिंग लेसन्स लूंगा और मैं आपको जिम साथ में ले जाऊंगा. I think that's the next thing that we're going to do. But ladies and gentlemen, talking about him and this magical duo with Laser, big round of applause for him. That's the track that was made. We're going to call you on stage later, buddy. But talking about duos, we welcome them on stage.
Hello everyone.
So Ruel, are you ready to follow the beats of Supersonics?
Supersonics ka beats. We Misfits do not follow the beat because we make the beats bow down to us. What's it?
What is sound without music? Music is heartbeat, bro.
Well, what is music without dance? Tell me that. Right? Because dance is the one that gives life to the music. And we Misfits do that.
Bro, I must tell you one thing. Goats की trophy ना Supersonic ही जीतेंगे.
I don't think so. You know why? Because Misfits are going to take the trophy. We are the one who are going to steal the show, and you can bet on that. So let me introduce to you two amazing members, OG members of Misfits. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome Santana Roach and Priyat Sharma.
asking me.
Yeah,
I mean, I've been dancing. It's been all my life, I guess. And for the first time, I actually got to showcase my potential because it's the first love of my life. And then goes to acting, which is the second love of my life. So I think it was a great combination and a great time and a lot of learning and a lot of growth. I remember that one whole year that we guys have shot. It has been so much to learn from the actresses and the actors out there and my co-actors, Misfits. So it has been an amazing ride, and I feel Hai Junoon is something you guys should really see because it's very relatable. There's so many characters out there. There's so many layerings in the show that I promise to each one of you that you guys will feel so relatable. Maybe if not me, maybe Santana or maybe Sumedh and the other characters also. Please watch it.
I love the mustache also. Reminding me of the whole, mafia zone. But like he said, so much to learn. But I think as performers and actors, you want to do a new project to learn something always. I think that's the best part of it. So just your experience also working with them and also some really big names on the show, yeah.
It's honestly been such a roller coaster ride.
Yeah.
And I think everyone should know this, that the Misfits crew,
yeah,
you can't separate us.
Really?
So that part of it, when we were shooting, I've never had that kind of a bond also with anybody on set. And half the work is just done there. Otherwise, thanks to Jackie Mama. It's been lovely working with her. And Baman sir is here. I actually didn't get to shoot with him, but just watching him is outstanding. And of course, Neil sir. Outstanding. It's been such a refresher to work with such outstanding actors.
In the credits, all the names will be together. So well done there. But they keep talking about a lady over here. Every time I see her, it's just incredible. Sometimes you feel that kuch artists, they're pushing the bar. Whether it's a physicality, whether it's a dance, and every single time that she performs on stage or she's on the big screen, she takes our breath away. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the mentor of Misfits, Miss Pearl Saldana, better known as, what did you call her?
Jackie Mama.
Jackie Mama. Big round. That's a first. Jacqueline, welcome.
Thank you so much.
So you were the big, were you really mothering everyone on set? Is that why she's calling you Jackie Mama?
Yes, I love it. This is actually the first time I'm hearing it because on set they were very professional. They were calling me Miss Pearl. But this is the first time I'm hearing Jackie Mama, and I feel like a proud mama right now. Because they were amazing. They inspired me every single day on set. They are so hardworking. So they would shoot, and of course our wonderful director, Mr. Abhishek.
Hard Taskmaster?
Yeah, my second film with him, definitely hard, but because he wants the best for us, and he really wants to pull it out of us. But we would work long hours, and they would go back into rehearsals, and they'd be like, we have this, big dance number for tomorrow, but we're gonna get it. And they were so happy. They're like, yes, we're excited to go. And I was like, you're excited to go back after 16 hours of shoot to go rehearse now? They're like, yeah, we love it. And that is the kind of energy I love to be around because it just keeps pushing us and making us better and making us grow.
That's the reputation that you have in the industry as well. She Goes Home will be so perfect on set, one of the hardest working ladies in the industry. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Jacqueline. You sometimes see just the finished product and you forget the kind of work that goes into making sure that it's there. And I remember asking you a long time back when you come to my studio, what's the hardest part to move in the body? For me, it's every part, but like for a lot of other people, they said, this, and all such.
What did I say? I'm dying to know what the hell.
Before I show this fantastic video of you, we have to show, so for example, an old uncle, supposing about 20 years elder to be, supposing he can't dance, right? And young uncle like me who can't dance, what's the part that we can move the easiest so that people will think that I know how to dance a little bit? What?
What did I say? Did I say something?
No,
I-
no,
I-
you had said,
I-
yeah. You said like the hips are a little bit tougher and you know I said nothing moves.
I mean, I will not go to the hips.
Right.
Because I know you will not like it.
His hips will lie.
Yeah.
Hips will lie.
So let's keep it more masculine for Salil because I know the kind of love he has for weightlifting.
Me is this, yeah?
Yes, for sure. So
Okay.
let's keep it easier, Salil. It's a one simple step.
All right.
Which you can do. And it doesn't involve any hip.
Are all four of us going to do it?
I mean,
All right.
yes. I mean, the ladies can definitely join
This
us.
is a masculine dance.
I'm going to say height, yeah.
Yeah, these young
Ready?
girls.
Very simple.
Okay.
You step your right leg out.
Okay.
With the right shoulder out.
Yeah.
You just have to go 1, 2, and a 3. Yeah, my man. 5, and a 6.
16 hours coming up. 16 hours
Let's
coming
go.
up.
Simple as that.
Hard task, Master sir. At least 2 on 10? 1.5. Other shoulder can be better.
Let's practice that also right now.
But that's the kind of perfection that you need, and that's the kind of dedication that you need to make this kind of show. I just want to make you understand the kind of dedication that has gone into making this kind of show as well. Just to be part of this as well also, it's OTT. You know, a lot of people don't understand the reach of it. Sometimes they're scared because they'll immediately the comments will start in between. What made you say yes?
Firstly, I love the fact that it infused dance, singing, music, beats. That for me was a big draw. And I loved the team. I loved the casting. I loved the storyline. I loved, like Priyansh had said, I loved how relatable it was. My character was created and written so beautifully. She was so flawed. And she had nothing going for her, and she really did not have her life together, and she was constantly failing and learning and growing in front of so many people, and that's what I really wanted to, you know, bite my teeth into. I wanted to do this character, and I was directed by the best, and I was motivated by the best, and so this really was something that it felt risky,
Yeah.
and I think that's what I liked about it.
When you say flawed characters, I think every actor would want to choose that because it allows you to be all dimensions
But that's
there.
who we are.
Yeah.
You know, it's as real as it can get, you know, so yeah.
So fantastic. 16th May. We're all waiting for this. Thank you, Santana. Thank you, Priyank.
Thank
and thank you,
you.
Jacqueline.
Thank
really, really happy to have you on stage. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going to take that mic as well. But we've got something that I want to show you for the Misfit Mentor, which is going to come up on the big screen right now. So can you just play that? तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट परफेक्ट थी. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. बट जैसे कि ये मिसफिट्स और सुपरसोनिक्स को हम देखते आ रहे हैं इन दिस फैंटास्टिक शो जो 16 मई को आने वाला है जुनून.
पहले तू बी पे था, फिर तू सी पे गया, अब वापस बी पे आ गया.
अब गाना गा रहे हो, एग्जाम दे रहे हो.
ब्रो अब मोर म्यूजिक है, ये दो रैंडम लैटिन वर्ड्स नहीं है. सुपरसोनिक्स की बैकबोन है. एनीवे शीट के हिसाब से रिहर्सल कर लेते हैं. गगन सर इज अबाउट टू कम.
गगन सर आएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा?
ब्रो गगन आहूजा है, इंटरनेशनल सिंगर, ग्रैमी अवार्ड विनर गगन आहूजा. हमारी खुशकिस्मती है कि हम लोगों को मेंटोर करने भी आ रहे हैं वो.
तो मतलब इस बार गोट्स की ट्रॉफी हमारी?
फॉर श्योर. गगन सर इज द रियल गोट. आई मीन गिव इट अप.
How's it going, brother? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Love the jacket. Love the jacket. Suddenly, I feel so underdressed when I see that jacket. Love it. But Neil, it's so good to see you. I mean, that couldn't have been a better contrast, actually. To have Neil Nitin Mukesh like this, and fantastic in the red there. But good to see you. You're looking so fit. Just this incredible show.
Thank you so much, Salil. Look at you. You are looking outstanding yourself. And of course, to all of you, thank you so much for being here. This means a lot. Goats is, I mean, to be very honest, the Goats trophy, of course, is a dream for all of us. Salil, thank you so much. Supersonics, can we scroll that down? Thank you, Salil. So thank you, Supersonics. I was the lead vocal for the Supersonics, and now I'm their mentor.
Yeah.
Supersonics सिर्फ एक music group ही नहीं है. It's a legacy of winning goats every year. And this year, it's my responsibility, and I only care for the best.
Gagan Ahuja, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you're going to rock with the goats.
Thank you. Thank you.
But like I said, beneath the suit and beneath Gagan Ahuja, there is Neil Nitin Mukesh. And I want to have the permission to chat a little bit with about you.
Please do.
Because I'm meeting you after so long as well. It's incredible to actually be part of a musical show.
Right.
For you, it seems like the most easy fit. Music's in your DNA, man.
You know, to be very honest, I think that this was my most difficult cast. And I have to give it, of course, you know, we keep talking about Goats. Hai Junoon is a show that I'm extremely passionate about. Because this is the first time in my entire career. 20 साल हो गए. और 20 साल में मैं ये दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि ये पहली बार मैं दिल से भी कह रहा हूँ और जुनून के साथ भी कह रहा हूँ कि ये पहला ऐसा किरदार है मेरा जो मैंने शायद इस किरदार से रिलेट किया है. क्योंकि not many of you all know that I'm also a musician by heart. I'm a pianist. I play the piano. I compose. Thank you. But and of course, you know, like you said that music's in my DNA.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it was a very difficult cast. But not many people did believe that I could play Gagan Ahuja. There was one man out here in the audience who did that. My director. Thank you so much, Abhishek Sharma ji. Thank you so much to Sagar, to Aditya Bhatt, my producers. I think they were fantastic, brilliant writers, brilliant producers. They envisioned me as Gagan Ahuja. And thank you so much for fighting for me and putting it up on a daily basis with me and making sure that Gagan Ahuja comes alive. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Good to see. Actually, when the director sort of gives you a thumbs up, you know, you always say कि कौन सा वो दिन था जब इनको लगा कि you've got the key of the character right. वो ऐसा 5वां दिन, 7वां दिन, 8वां दिन कौन सा था? हाँ, there, Gagan Ahuja, that's my Gagan Ahuja. ये कब हुआ?
तो बहुत लोग नहीं, I mean, of course, हमारी पूरी टीम जानती है, but एक ऐसा दौर, शायद एक ऐसा फेज आया था कि शायद ये कंफ्यूजन था कि ये कर पाएगा नहीं कर पाएगा. तो हाँ बिल्कुल. और ये शो शुरू होने से पहले था. तो इनफैक्ट I remember I was in Delhi, I was shooting something there, and Abhishek sir called me up and he said, Neil, क्या करे भाई यार इसका, सर एक ऑडिशन ले लो. 20 साल में किया नहीं है ऑडिशन कोई, बट मैं आपके लिए एक बार कर लूँगा क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ कि मैं आपका ये गगन आहूजा का किरदार निभा पाऊँगा. तो आई थिंक it was very big of him for him to have written down 2 scenes, you know, spoken to me at length, sat me down,
made me understand the entire graph of what Gagan was. Somewhere when I had read the script out earlier, I had always envisioned Gagan in a certain way.
Right.
And somehow, you know, I think we aligned very beautifully on that front. But having said that again, you know, thank you to Jio Hotstar and the entire creative department of the platform to have really given me the wings to fly and given me this brilliant character. It's tough to play a mentor.
Yeah.
You know, because कभी-कभी लगता है जब शो कर रहा था तब एहसास हुआ कि मेरे कॉलेज के दिनों को 25 साल हो गए, है ना? तो 25
you keep saying 20 years and 25 साल suddenly. Neil's been here for a very very long time, man, and he's still looking like this.
नहीं
तो लोग reverse aging की बात करते हैं. Have you seen yourself? Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic.
Thank you, my friend. But no, you know, like I missed my teleprompter lines when I was complimenting you on your physique. I was like, यार ये क्या करूँ, मैं भाग जाता हूँ यार, मेरे prompter भूल गया भाई, and this scrolled up. But no, thank you for the compliment.
Big thumbs up also for your dedication also. And I keep saying this also. A lot of people, you know, get great runs. A lot of people need a lot of luck. And you know, in the last 5 years, I've seen so many people have luck. Thanks to OTT also, they've come out. You look at Bobby, you look at so many other people. I think, Neil, you look fantastic. The time is now, and you've got the right people in there. So big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I think this is going to take off big time.
I hope, you know, but more than luck, I also feel that there's a lot of patience. Every actor needs that. Everyone has to be, so at least for me, luckily what's fallen in my favor, and like you were being very modest about this, is that I keep sharpening my axe, you know. I just don't wait for the opportunity to come. I'm prepared for when, you know, when the opportunity comes. I'm prepared for that. So I think for most actors, you know, you mentioned Bobby. Bobby is a very dear friend. What an inspiration, I would never call his comeback a comeback because he's always there, and you know, he's always been there. Many of us, you know, constantly keep working. We're just waiting for the right opportunity, you know, to come our way, and I'm glad that the platform, the directors, the producers, the writers, everybody associated with this show gave us the platform. But needless to say, you know, Salil, I have to point one thing out.
Sure.
The reason why I really lapped onto this and I was so desperate to be a part of the show was what I saw was the future. And the future was in the present.
Yeah.
You know, this is the first of its kind that if I may say so, where you have film actors coming on, you know, on the same platform. You have TV actors coming.
Yeah.
You have influencers coming. You have a bundle of talented, you know, youngsters who've never got the chance to face camera before. They've been given an opportunity out here. So when you have that kind of platform, you're all leveled out. And when that happens, your focus is only dedicated towards delivering your best and to making a product look fantastic, because it's not about competition. It's not about one-upmanship. It's only about pure talent. And I think I had the privilege of working with such brilliant youngsters who are fantastic. You've seen most of them have been introduced on stage already. When I saw him dancing there, and Sid, of course, you know, Sid, Sumedh, all of them, everybody that I worked with, Aryan just came up on stage. There was, you know, Arnav, all of them. Aryan, name them. Anusha is there in the audience. She's right in front of me. Jacqueline, of course, doesn't need an introduction. She's brilliant. But when you have that kind of, you know, privilege to work with such brilliant stars, brilliant actors, brilliant talent, you have Priyank, you know, such a disciplined fellow, man.
Yeah.
You know, so constantly you keep yourself on the hook, you know, you are making yourself just stand on the edge and be prepared all the time. So this last 1 year has been, I think, my best time for me as an actor to learn so much, because I've never got this opportunity with so much talent in one room, be intimidated by every one of them because they are so brilliant. You know, I mean, I've done over 30 odd films now, worked with over a dozen of national award-winning directors, but I can say this with all heart that this was one of my biggest learning experiences. Yeah.
Fantastic. Humble as ever, and the fire is burning. I can feel it, brother.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, my dear.
Gagan
Thank
Ahuja, we can't wait to see him. Neil, why don't you have a seat?
Thank you.
And the lovely Pearl Saldana is waiting right there for you. We're going to play a little video out, which I want you to watch, and then you'll know a little bit more about Gagan Ahuja.
Good evening, everybody. How's everybody feeling? Salil, first of all, it's truly an honor. My partner and my brother Somil is here.
Yes.
Both of us, we've composed 7 songs for this web series, and it's truly such a blessing and honor to be a part of such a mammoth project. You know, hats off to all the creators and all the heads for putting this together. It's no easy
Yeah, I
task.
saw the lineup and I'm going like, okay, that's just the actor's part. Oh, that's just the other actor's part. And here, this is just the singer's part. This is really incredible. But I also want to take a moment to appreciate you also. It's so difficult to sometimes be in a family where everyone's, like you're on the way to like right there, you know, and it's tough to have your own voice. Your brother, you all have your own voice also. That's fantastic. How's the chemistry between everyone on stage when you all are singing?
Oh, it's an absolute blast. It's a party because we do a Triple S show, which is Shivam, Siddharth, and my dad, Shankar.
Yeah.
And it's absolutely a party on stage. You know, we love performing with each other. Obviously, Shivam and I get a little nervous.
Really?
But the
I've never
nervousness,
seen you
I
get
think,
nervous.
lasts just up to when you get on stage.
I think it's backstage.
But yeah, it's an amazing experience. I think we are all truly blessed that we can do this.
Well, you should get nervous when you have a Padma Shri next to you. Ladies and gentlemen, but there is a gentleman who's sitting right there who has a voice also. I believe that singers are blessed.
Yep.
And no autotune can make you a great singer. I've tried, trust me. So I really want to hand this over to you because you're going to call this amazing partner of ours. Like you said, you made a lot of tracks for this.
Yes.
And we're going to have a performance on stage, but who are we calling up on stage?
So
That gentleman.
we've done one song in this series which captures the vibe of Mumbai, which captures the essence of this beautiful city that we all live in.
Yeah.
And bajao ya, talia bajao. Mumbai ke liye talia baja do. And my brother, the very talented, the most incredible Divya Kumar.
Talia, ladies and gentlemen.
We've both sung this song together, so I'd like to call him on stage.
Today is like a night of glittering champions, brother. कैसे हो? And I will definitely exit the stage right now.
नहीं हम बस 2 लाइन ऐसे ही सुनाने वाले हैं.
2 लाइन नहीं गा सकते हो. कम से कम 8 लाइन गाओ, क्योंकि आपको ना in ear की जरूरत पड़ती है ना कोई +1 की जरूरत पड़ती है. You all can just anyway sing so well. So would love to have you all both sing a little bit. And the phone and the Google's back. So let's have the words.
नहीं, मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट है.
ये थोड़ा सा
रिकॉर्ड करने के
voice
टाइम
दे
भी
दो
है.
ना monitor में, please.
हे A1
ये ठीक है ना?
गाना बहुत ऊंचा बना है इसने. अब हम ही फंस गए. ओके Dude, एक बार तालियां हो जाए everyone.
Let me see the beat.
लो चलो सी तेज है चलती रात भी सुबह में ढलती है सभी की हिफाजत करती तेरी मेरी अपनी ही वाइब है मुम जो दिलाए हक से ज्यादा जो बनाए सबसे नाता ना रखे कोई मर्यादा तेरी मेरी अपनी ही वाइब है मुंबई. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And I would like to thank Siddharth and Somil for having me on this song. एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा किस्सा है. ये गाना मुझे ऐसे मिला. लोग बोलते हैं ना कि लाइफ में हमेशा सक्सेस में एक चीज़ हेल्प करती है कि आप राइट टाइम राइट प्लेस पे रहो.
करेक्ट.
तो मैं बहुत राइट जगह पे NMSCC के वॉशरूम में था जहाँ मुझे सागर भाई मिले थे. हम दोनों लिटरली पोजीशन में खड़े थे. दोनों ने ऐसे देखा हाय भाई हाय भाई. सागर भाई इधर है क्या?
सागर के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
उन्होंने बोला यार एक गाना करना है और भाई सही जगह पे आपने पकड़ा था मुझे.
So that's where we have to meet you to basically get audition.
NMSCC में सुसु कर रहे थे. एंड मतलब वही है कि बाद में मुझे पता चला सिद्धार्थ एंड सोमिल हैव कंपोज दिस सॉन्ग. और इनके जो फैमिली की लेगेसी है एंड आई रियली फील ब्लेस्ड. मैं हमेशा ये देखता हूँ कि मेरा नाम गानों की क्रेडिट लिस्ट में कौन से सिंगर्स के साथ आ रहा है. एंड लास्ट जब ये बहुत बड़ा हुआ था मेरे साथ, दैट वाज भाग मिल्खा भाग, जहाँ पे एक
मेरा तो डेब्यू था एंड हम साथ में थे उस फिल्म में.
So yeah, this album also fantastic artist. All the best to the whole team of Hai Junoon and thank you Shomil, Siddharth and Somil for
Thank you
having me on this
Divya,
song.
and a huge round of applause for all the lyricists who have written all these beautiful songs and all the music producers and everybody who's worked on the music of this mammoth album. Give it up for them, everybody.
Thank you, boys. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
joining
thank
us.
you.
Thank you. Cheers, buddy. क्या वाइब है गाने की, क्या माइक है. आपने सुन तो लिया, but you got to see it as well. I think that's the best part about this. A lot of the time. Welcome, sir. Gold on stage and gold in the first row. So good to have you over here, sir.
It's just so great to be here. There was this little kid in the earlier dance.
Yeah.
He was so fantastic. He comes to me, he pulls on my shirt and said, Uncle, मुझे मालूम है वो लास्ट का शॉट जब आप कुर्सी में जाके बैठेंगे वो मुझे करने दो ना. Let him do it, man. Hi, everybody. Such a wonderful, wonderful evening, and I must say, such a wonderful audience. I actually have never seen something so elaborate ever, and I think it.
Me included. That makes two of us.
Okay, you included.
No, I said even I've never seen something so elaborate.
Never seen, and it demands this kind of elaborate evening because this probably I do a small little part. I'm here mostly for the blessing, but I do this small little part in this very, very big show. And the reason why I did it, because this is the youngest cast I've ever worked with. True. Me included. And
young at heart, sir.
And it just feels so wonderful to see talent around you that is just popping out of the woodwork. Yeah. And it's not just acting talent. They all look fantastic. Today, anyone can look fantastic. I mean, look at me. Anyone can look at. But my point in all of this is there are actors. They're performing. They are singing. They are dancing. And then, of course, a whole bunch of young musicians that are sitting, lyricists over here. I mean, look at the talent around us, ladies and gentlemen. Give everybody a big hand. Where is Nitin sir? Everybody give Nitin sir a big hand. A big hand. Come on, everybody. Let's hear it for the man. His proud son is anchoring the whole show. My darling Shankar, you know, what can I say about you? If you weren't a man, I would still not have married you, but that's another story. And my brother Shan, and my Jack, where are you? And I'll tell you, Abhishek, thanks for having me, number one. And number two, and most importantly, where is Aditya and Sagar? They are the unsung heroes. Where are you guys? You're there. Aditya kidhar? Come on, everybody, I think these two guys, you know, they are ridiculous.
Incredible. Yes.
They are ridiculous human beings. They are ridiculous human beings. You think about it and they call. It's there on the ball, man. It's scary. You guys scare me. You really scare me. You put this together. You put this evening together. You put a show of 20 episodes?
Yeah.
20 episodes together. You've got a wonderful cast together. You've got all these musicians, all these lyricists. I can't even begin to tell you how proud I am to be part, in the smallest possible way, but with the biggest heart. I'm here for all of you. Thank you very much for having me.
But you know, Baman sir, you've also had a very interesting journey last couple of years. You know, you yourself have done so much in front, behind the camera as well. When you go out there, is it easy to say, Baman sir, can I just have you for 10 days? How do you say yes? How does one get a yes from Baman sir?
Show me the check, buddy. What's so difficult in that? I don't understand. Give me for 10 days. I'll give you 20 days, man. Show me the check. Of course, it's great fun. I like to work with people who are like-minded, who believe in art, who believe in the hard work that goes behind the art. Otherwise, I'm not interested no matter what kind of check you pull. Of course, I'm lying. But I really am not interested in working people who just come there because they've got to put a project together.
Correct.
This is something of passion. This is something, it's got a great vision, this story. Great vision to have so many people together. And music is back on screen. Music in a big way. The album list of this. How many songs in this album?
40 songs.
40 songs.
And lots of them recreated, lots of them original.
It takes about 40 movies to come up with 40 good songs, right? Look at these songs and look at the talent. I mean, really, thank you very much. Yeah.
So essentially, uska pura saransh tha, a good check and everything else with it, and Baman sir says yes. So well done there. But now, at the end of it, now we've talked about 40 songs.
Right.
I know you sing wonderfully well. So what you're going to do, sir, for us is choose one of your best songs from this album. And because everybody has gungun out at least 2 lines, at least that's what they said, and they sang 20. So you can choose 20 and sing 2, but you have to choose one song.
I'll choose a song.
Yeah.
I won't gungunao it.
Yeah.
Because there are people in this room that will not only gungunao it, they will blow you away. Blow you away with the rendition of this song. And of course, it has memories, this song has legacy. तो मेरी औकात नहीं है गुनगुनाने के लिए. तो मैं ये कहूँगा, there are 2 people who will come on stage. There are 2 people who will come on stage.
But before that, sir, I want to call the most important people that thankfully actually on this stage, so many singers have thanked the composers and lyricists. Normally it doesn't happen. But thanks to the idea of this show, it's been fantastic.
Right.
So should we call with them and have a lovely photo op with you as well?
Sure. With me?
Yes. I'll move to the side of
right.
that one. So I'm going to actually do the roll call in. Let's put it this way. We're going back into school. But we're going to call all the lyricists and the composers Yes, just first the music composers, and we'll do a lovely little picture over here, and then we'll move forward there. So can I have the names of all the music composers up on stage, and then we'll call them out one by one. Akshay Menon, Gaurav Das Gupta, Rutul Patel, Laser X, who we've been introduced to a while back, Mayur Jumani. So good to see you, brother. And you've just moved up, and we're going to do it like in school. Someone on the right side, sir, and someone on his left side, yeah? Mr. Mohit Shandilia, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Can keep the applause coming. Pathik Maniar, Rajdeep Ghosh. That's the cheerleading squad you should have. Samir Saptiskar, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Shebin Matthew. Sid, come back on stage, Sid Mahadevan. And another Sid Paul. Can we have Sid Paul back on stage as well?
Alright, so these were the alchemists behind the songs, but the alchemy would never have been possible without the right words. Sab shabdon ka khel hai, right? So ladies and gentlemen, let's call on the soul behind these beautiful compositions, the lyricists who wove their magic into the words and gave us the biggest album of the year. So please, Salil, if you can call them
Once
on.
more, I'll do this at this one. We're going to start with 1080G. Let's have you on stage, brother. I'm intrigued to know. We were very intrigued, both of us, to know 1080G. Ankit Sharma, can we have you on stage? Andresha Datta Gupta, can we have you on stage? Andresha? There you are. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Keep it coming. Ayushi Maniar, can we have you on stage? Ayushi Maniar. While Ayushi walks. Kuwar Juneja, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause. Lakshya, can we have Lakshya on stage, please? It is a moment of glory. I don't like to rush it up. Lakshya, take your time and come up, buddy. There you are. Love the shirt. Laser X, can we have you back on stage? And this time I want you to smile on stage. Mihir Thatte, can we have you on stage? Mihir. Mihir. MK Roy. Manoj Kumar Roy, can we have you on stage, please? Mr. MK Roy. Mohit Shandilia, can we have you back on stage, buddy? Nihar Bhave, can we have you back on stage? Actually, first time up on stage. Nihar Bhave. You've opened food outside. Yeah. Rajdeep Ghosh, can we have you on stage? The first briefing of the show given to me was by him only. Rajesh Kumar, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Rajesh Kumar. You want to come on stage? No? Okay. Rajesh Kumar. Best enthusiasm. All right. Rishi Pathak. Just goes to show the number of people that actually go to put this army together, man. Rishi Pathak, can we have you on stage? Rishi Pathak. Shaurya Saxena, can we have you on stage, please? Shaurya Saxena. And see Shaurya. Tanish, can we have Tanish on stage, please? Perfect. couldn't be better. He's fire. His video app and he's sleeping on his couch. Love it. Okay, Tarangini Prem Gupta, can we have you on stage? That rounded up. Tarangini, there you are. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Shabdon ka khel or magic. Perhaps one of the toughest things to do. So we're going to do this in a way like school was. We'll have to get some people in front also. So will that make a better picture? This is better. Sorry, okay. Big victory sign. This is the win. You all have won. 16 May is the big win. So let's have a nice big victory sign, ladies and
Thank you,
gentlemen.
everybody.
Thank you.
We'll meet soon. Bye, darling.
Well done and congratulations. Feels good, sir, but...
Super duper jubilee hit, bolo.
Absolutely, but we're coming back to that question. I'm one of those people that, you know, like those reporters. After we've gone around the world, we come back to that big question. What's your favorite song of the album?
Okay, there's so many of them, but without a doubt, and ladies and gentlemen, all of you will agree with me, and there's a history and a legacy behind this song.
Yeah.
And the legacy lives in this room. 2 generations are here. So, Jeena Yahan is very close to my heart.
Big round of applause.
So,
I've asked you this question earlier.
No, I can't.
2 lines.
No,
okay,
no.
half a line. Just gunguna do.
Nose cutting ho jayega, but it'll be even better that if my daughter, who plays my daughter in the film, Charu, played by the wonderful Anusha Mani, is she here? Where are you, darling?
She's backstage.
Come on, Anusha. Come on stage. Now,
ladies and gentlemen, Anusha Mani, the wonderful. Make your acting debut in this.
So Anusha Mani meets me in the green room and says, "What are you going to say about me?" I said, "Mostly lies." And the lies are, Anusha, that you are terrible in the film. The truth is that you are wonderful. What a wonderful talent. What a wonderful performance. And what a singer. You know, it's so lovely. I'm going to maybe using the line that, you know, you should have used with this wonderful man. But her first song that she ever sung as a singer was in Neil Nitin Mukesh's film.
Johnny Gadar.
Johnny Gadar.
And Shankar
Can you imagine?
Roy were the composers and
Think
Shankar
about it.
sitting right here.
Think about it. And now when the first time that she's acting in a movie, it is with this handsome young man. What a wonderful circle it is. Everybody give them a big hand.
Thank you,
Pawan sir, before we ask them to sing, you know, like we've been doing it for everyone, it's like a little lovely presentation. I want to show them something on screen.
You want to show them something?
Yeah. So we're going to exit side stage, and then we're going to show you this beautiful video because, like I said, and her husband's right there. She's making an acting debut. Anusha, are you nervous at all? Yeah?
More than you can imagine.
So fantastic, but great job there. And were you nervous being with Baman sir on screen?
I think there's something about certain people, उनकी quality होती है. They're extremely approachable. They're extremely humble. They're extremely easy to be around. But their aura is just so strong that उनको कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता. They just have to exist. And I think for me in my life, I've had that experience for the second time with Baman sir. First being Shankar ji, I think it's just that aura that they bring. They're just absolute geniuses in what they do. And उनके सामने यहाँ पे खड़े रह के जो gratitude मैं feel कर रही हूँ आज, sir, it's been an honor, and it is an honor for me to hear you take my name. That's enough. That's a lot.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
And what is so wonderful about this young lady, she's so eager to learn, even though she's so eager to learn. God bless you. You have a lovely, lovely career ahead of you.
But now I'm going to call on stage a gentleman. Actually, this ground is very hallowed turf. So much talent over here and so much gratitude. A while back, his son sang, and I think we've all grown up watching him and just killing it on stage. You know, when people talk about just natural talent and just one of the nicest human beings that we've known for a very long time. The vocal coach of the Supersonics in the show, ladies and gentlemen, can we please have the one and only, and I love saying this one and only because you can't say it too many times, but Sean, can we have Sean on stage? There you go.
My darling.
And the reverse aging continues on this stage, and I love it. So good to see you, sir. Yes, sir. So good to see you. And what a day it is. You're standing at the same spot your son was standing. Can you imagine? A couple of years back, he made his debut on my radio show. No, he's gone because he's now too scared to see you sing. But how are you feeling being on the same stage, just being part of this amazing show, and also the legacy being carried on? And by the way, if I shut my eyes, my God, he sounded like you.
No, he's wonderful. He's very hardworking, and I'm very proud of him. And I'm so thrilled that we're a part of the same project, and of all projects, this one, because it's special for so many reasons. And I think he's run away though. I can't seem to have.
Where is he?
Oh,
there he is.
He's
Idhar aa
6 foot 2 inches, a little tough to hide.
Give your dad a hug. Give him some encouragement. He needs the encouragement. Come on. That's it. There you got a photo. Say thank you, photographers.
Two brothers. I have to say this are two brothers. But yes, Baman sir, we're going to get off stage right now.
Nothing else you took a mind.
I leave you to these wonderful people. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Baman sir. And the stage is all yours.
Thank you, Salil. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, the both of you. But I think the presence of a gentleman who was here on stage a while back, speaking so beautifully about, this amazing show, Neel Nitin Mukesh. But we have another legend that is sitting right next to him. Nitin Mukesh Saab, inke liye taaliyan ho jaye. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have you on stage, sir? It's a very special year. It's actually the birth centenary of Mukesh Saab, and that's what we're going to talk about when we get them on stage. And ye Gana, jo 50 saal se bhi upar, it's been so lokpriya. Big taaliyan ho jaye, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
I think this is where just getting all the artists together has been such an incredible achievement. I think the only other time is when Shankar sir के घर पे गणपति होती है तब सारे आर्टिस्ट आते एक साथ. Do you sing, sir? I'm kind, sir.
The only thing I know to do. Please. कल खेल में हम हो न हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा। भूलोगे तुम, भूलेंगे वो, पर हम तुम्हारे रहेंगे सदा। रहेंगे यहीं अपने निशान, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम हैं यहीं, हम थे जहाँ, अपने यहीं दोनों जहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना
I was going to say that actually, a standing ovation, no less, for the legends that we've had on stage today and the legend that is sitting with us. Now that you sung so beautifully, sir, लोग 5 दिन के लिए गाने को खूबसूरत नहीं बना पाते हैं, 55 साल हो गए. It is just incredible.
1970, December 18th, this song was released. It has been playing for 55 years and still on. I have to repeat this sometimes twice or thrice in my concerts. And this is almost an anthem, but more so for artists, for all these young kids who are in this fabulous Hai Junoon. I wish them all my luck, all my blessings, all my love. And this song is so, I would say, depictive of what they will go through, they are going through. You sang so beautifully, beta. And Shan, of course, my younger brother, I would say more my son. Shan has sung that so beautifully too. One thing before I go, I want to say, wow, the singers fraternity is truly blessed with Hai Junoon. What with Shankar's sons doing the honors, Shankar Mahadev's son doing the honors, Shan's son doing the honors, and my beloved Neil starring in his first ever OT web series. Thank you so much for being here and blessing all these kids. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And just before we leave, Mukesh ji ki birth celebration, birth anniversary hai and centenary, and that's why I think we'd like a little standing ovation for this incredible family and Mukesh ji. I think it's been a time for honoring all the greats. Been very privileged today to have so many people here. And may this song continue for another 50 years. We will celebrate 100 years. And the way life and medicine is happening today, maybe we'll all be there to celebrate 100 years.
From your lips to God's ears, God bless.
Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Please take a seat. Thank you, Shan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anusha. Thank you, Neil. So much has been said today, what I love, because I think so many different styles of people have actually been there on stage, and all of them such great achievers. And I think, let's give a big round of applause to the producers of the show. It's really difficult to get this together. I don't think I've ever called you doctor. And I love saying that, because you're just so incredible, and you must be so proud of your boys.
Yeah, I mean, today it's all about them. This function, it's not about me. Not only my boys, but all those people who are here, the youngsters, the singers, the lyricists, the music producers, director Abhishek. I've worked with him on a film called Tere Bin Laden. Amazing film. And
I couldn't stop laughing in that. Fantastic.
And of course Aditya and Sagar, congratulations for this amazing achievement. I don't know how they've done it.
True.
And I was just seeing, I came in slightly late because I was on the function, but Teri Meri Vibe Mumbai was, I mean, what a performance that was there. Unbelievable. And I'm sure that each and every song is going to do extremely well. And for a father, I think this is the proudest moment where I get to sit in the audience. I'm sure that Nitinji also agrees with me, Shan also agrees with me that sitting over there and enjoying your kids perform on stage. इससे ज़्यादा blessing दुनिया में भगवान का कोई हो ही नहीं सकता है. So thank you very much for this, really.
And not just performing and doing so well on stage also. But
वो तुम लोग बताना चाहिए.
नहीं वो तो. But देखो अभी scene ऐसा है sir. The beauty of having you on stages and having the mic in my here is that we're going to make sure that we take advantage of you. And when we take advantage of you, you are going to have to sing Breathless. But we are giving you an option. तीन के साथ गा सकते.
नहीं ये देखिए this show is about Siddharth Mahadevan, Shivam Mahadevan, Saumil Shingarpure, Shan's son over here, and Anusha Mani, and all the young singers over here, all the writers. तो मैं तो कुछ हूँ नहीं. तो I'd like to invite both of them and let's do Breathless together, man. आ जाओ.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Google to the rescue again, but Breathless it is. This will be a moment where you can actually take a video of this, because last time we did this.
बस इन इयर्स में दो ना थोड़ा voice.
Sid, you weren't there when we sang this last month. So all three now. He wasn't there last time. Now all three together. Let's have this.
Okay, you guys have to give us the rhythm from the beginning till the end, okay? Are you ready? We are not nervous singing the song.
इसमें जुनून नहीं है भाई. Let's hear some जुनून. Come on. Play the -1. I hope it goes.
Incredible show. I love it. Bolo na. Now.
Come on. मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीत की तो रंगों की बढ़ जाए खुशबू की आती है बहकी हुई सी है बाजार फिजाएं बहकी हुई सी है बाजार हवा खोई हुई सी है बाजार दिशाएं बदली हुई सी है बाजार यादा जागी हुए के धड़क रहा है सांसों में डूबा होठ मेरे में हाथ में समझ में भी हुए सारे वरम जब कोई आया तो नजरों पे छाया तो तेरे में दबाव कैसे मैं बताऊं मैं कैसे उसे पाया तो प्यार से तेरे से तेरी जो मेरा लगे तो तेरे को तेरी रोज में तो फोन गिरा जैसे बादल एक जान छुपा और जान जला है जैसे रात के पर्दे में जब ये रहे रोशन रोशन आंखों में सरों के सामने जिसमें प्रेम सितारों की चादर जैसे चमक रही है लहरों लहरों बात के से मोती पर जैसे कहीं चांद की पायल टूटे जैसे कहीं शीशे की जाम गिरे और जलते ढूंढे जैसे कोई चुपके सितारे बजाए जैसे कोई चांदनी रात में गाए जैसे कोई और से पास बुलाए कैसे मेरी बात थी वो कैसे मुलाकात थी वो जब मैंने चाहा तो नजरों से कैसे पिघल बैठे और आज पा दिए कैसे मन और कैसे उतर पहचान सभी बड़ी किसी का पिता का सर जाए करे तो मची उसने बताया मुझे और समझाया मुझे हम जब मिले हैं मिलना बिल्कुल जब मिले होने ऐसे जन्मों के बंधन जन्मों के रिश्ते कभी हम जन्मे तो हम यूं ही मिल गए खाबों में डर के शहर में खुलने लगे खाबों के डर खाबों में खुलने लगे खाबों की दुनिया भी कितनी हसी और कैसे रंगीन खाबों की दुनिया जो कहने को भी दिन नाराज मेरी राहें रंज की बातें और भरिया मेरा कोई नहीं मैं वो कोई में प्यारी यार मैं वो कोई में प्यारी यार मैं वो कोई में प्यारी यार Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Siddharth Mahadevan, Shiva Mahadevan, Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Salil. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
You
Thank
are
you so much.
amazing, boss. I love you. It's mind blowing. Thank you. Wow. You know, you normally have like a show that goes like this, then there's like, this is just crescendo after crescendo.
Celebration, where both the teams, Misfits and Supersonics, come together and perform to the most famous number of Andersons. So are we ready? Hit it!